All right, this is week 22. We have about 121 days to go before we head up to McGill. So this is the animatronic bot updates for this summer. Things are a little bit slower, but things have progressed in the last week. So one of the first things is iPad gimbal prototype. I think this is number 2 or number 3. So this is going to be redone, re-CNC'd. There's a top part here missing, but the idea is that this simple conduit pipe will hold the gimbal holder. This is Sydney designing the next generation. We also have lots of gear. We've purchased maybe up to $900 worth of gear, from featherboards to Lazy Susans to motors and so forth, and screws and whatnot to get this to run properly. So this is the final bot prototypes. This is version 3, I think. So we're doing a different kind of geared system. Hopefully it'll be a lot more robust than our second version, which broke apart just during the performance. So hopefully this will last a little bit longer, and hopefully maybe go to a second performance outside of McGill. So this is just random shots of different stages of this coming together. So a lot of parts and pieces. I think half of it was done incorrectly. We're also using PVC for the neck to give it rigidity versus 3D prints that seem to break apart, and then taking it and adapting it so it will hold the neck properly. So this is a multi-step process, cutting it with a table saw, with a jig, and then cutting it with a Dremel to fit the parts in. So pretty exciting stuff sitting outside on the summer. And then you can see how the PVC slides into the neck area. So here you can see the batteries are installed. So next week we'll probably start working on the wiring and getting at least the bottom part working with Wi-Fi and the new bottom board that we designed. So this all takes stages and processes and making this happen. So this is Dungsu soldering the feather board. So you can see this is the final result. So you got the pins soldered in place. Luckily he's doing it. And here we're just testing, make sure the solder made a good connection. So that worked out great. They're being stored now till next week when we get everything going. And then this is a separate project, the animatronic lab at the library. So they are making headway on that and adding paint and also graphics later on next week. That is it for this week.